This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Evie Hunt. Welcome to this beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, perfect for comfortable living and entertaining. This property boasts an open floor plan in the main living area, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere. Enjoy the fresh interior, giving the home a modern and vibrant look. The 4th bedroom offers versatile use as a guest room, home office, or playroom. Durable and stylish flooring has been installed throughout the home. The bathroom has been completely remodeled with contemporary fixtures and finishes. Stay comfortable year-round with a brand new HVAC system. Enjoy peace of mind with a newly installed roof. The backyard is perfect for outdoor activities and relaxation, featuring a partially fenced area and a back patio for entertaining.